one.
Okay, hi, I'm Dr. Wilfred Miyazaki over Downtown Dental Group, and I just had our seminar just today with Paige, and she did a great job. I was enthusiastic. I've heard Wendy speak before, other hygiene coaches, but Paige did a wonderful job. One of the best I've had, even Wendy. And I think the staff really learned a lot. I learned a lot. It was just a great review and new things too. So I'm excited. I'm excited for the hygiene department and for the whole office. Yeah, so great job, Paige.
Awesome. Dr. David, how about you?
Okay.
Yep, go ahead.
Hi, I'm Dr. David Miyazaki. This is our first time, or my first time working with Team Train Institute this year. And I'm really excited about all the new things I'm learning. It's kind of a shift from what we learned in dental school, and kind of a new philosophy and way of approaching patient care in like a more holistic way, and being able to kind of expand on what we know already. So Wendy was over and we learned a lot, but Paige kind of expanded on a lot of those same concepts and really kind of hit home a lot of these important things. So again, we appreciate all the coaches from Team Train Institute, and especially Paige today, for doing a great job.